Hello everyone. If you are quirky, funny family, I have for you the Smarty Pants Father's Day DIY craft. Please stick around. It's funny. You'll enjoy. This is my Smarty Pants Father's Day DIY craft. And for that, we will need some cutouts of the words My Smarty Pants, Dad. We will need some pegs, the tiny craft pegs. We will need some wool for joining the twigs, our clothesline, and twigs that we are going to use to make a frame. So let me show how to do this. We begin by making the frame, and we are making the frame out of we're making a simple frame out of these twigs. We put this aside. You decide how wide it's going to be, but I'm going to use my words my to give me the width, Dad and Smart. I think for me this works because it works within the frame, so I'm going to put them aside. You can use twine. You can use knitting, thread, fish line, anything you need. So for my case, I'm going to cut out 4 equal pieces to tie the ends. Let me show you how to do that. Something simple. This corner, I'm going to tie them off at the back, and I'll snip them as I need. It doesn't have to be so precise. Remember, it's a rustic DIY craft. Same thing. So we do that on all 4. This is the last one, and remember, there's nothing special about these twigs. I just got them from outside, from the neighborhood. So I'm just going to snip, cut off the edges, and then now we're going to put our clothesline. You can adjust as needed. For the clothesline, I'm just using a normal one, so that it doesn't need to be so fancy. But if you only have one type of twine, just use it. Use what you have. So let's see. Needed this wide, so let's cut off. tight. Tighten up. On the other side, same thing. Tighten up and then cut it off. Remember, it's rustic, so it doesn't have to be so neat. And then now we're going to put my Smarty Pants dad. And now, not all dads will be happy being called Smarty Pants, so be careful. But I mean the good Smarty Pants of smart jokes with the kids, you know. Use a small tiny pegs. Going to mix the colors to make it colorful. And the kids would enjoy doing this if the dad has a sense of humor. So we have finished. It didn't take long. Oh my god! Look at that. My Smarty Pants dad. At the end of this video, you'll see a video that has 5 other crafts that you might get an idea from. And from those 5, there are 3 that are just for our family that we've added, so you'll get 8 more. Please watch, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.